Okay, listen. It's time for an experiment. Welcome back to my channel. So today is an experiment kind of day, and I'm actually really excited. I've been wanting to do this for weeks, but okay, so as everyone knows, we're all in quarantine, we're all going insane, and a couple weeks back I was like, I've always I've been bleaching my hair since I was in high school, and this is the lightest it's been ever, and I've always wanted to see what my hair would look as lavender or pink. But I was kind of scared, and I did a lot of research on temporary hair dye, and it was the reviews were all over the place. And so I did a little poll on Instagram, and I was like, do you guys want to see me do my hair, blah 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 blah. A lot of people voted, a lot of people said pink, and my friend Kimia, shout out to you, girl, she actually reached out to me and was like, I saw this trend on TikTok, and people have been using purple shampoo on dry hair and leaving it on for a long time in order for it to turn out kind of lavendery. And she said that she tried it actually once and it actually worked, but then I went ahead and did some research and I didn't see that much results, but I went ahead and bought myself some purple shampoo. I mean, I already had some, but I got the Fanola one because when I used to use this was really strong in the shower for 2 minutes. So I'm just assuming we might have a good turnout here. But yeah, I'm really excited. Shout out to Kimia for this idea, and let's jump into it. Okay, so first things first, I have gloves here, and I have this Tupperware that is really old that I'm just gonna put in the dishwasher and hope for the best. And I've got a plastic bag under me, and I'm gonna put that on my head whenever we're ready. So first thing I'm gonna do is open this, oh my god, is open this bad boy and just, oh my god, put some right there. Next, I'm gonna actually take my hair and I'm gonna part it because I think the bottom half of my hair is really dark, so it's a darker blonde, so I feel it would be best if I got them first, and then the top blonde usually, I mean, when my hairstylist does it, that's how she does it, and it goes well. So I mean, we're gonna do that. So anyways, how's everyone's day? JK, I can't even ask you. I see how YouTubers go insane. Well, my roommate is sleeping, and it's 11:30, and she's always sleeping, so that's fun. And then she wakes up when I have class, so that's great. Shout out to Soph. Okay, so let's get started. I'm really excited. I'm gonna drink my coffee. Oh no, this is gonna be so messy. I should have known. Okay. I wanted a comb, to be quite honest, but I don't have one. So we're just gonna make do with what we thought. Obviously, might not be, it's not gonna turn out even, I already know, but it's fun, it's fine. No one's gonna see me in these quarantine months except for my roommate, so it's fine. So this is the final look. Just kidding. So I just finished up putting it all over my head, and my desk is a disaster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take whatever's left in the bag or in the bowl and just like massage it throughout my hair just to like get whatever's left, you know, and just twirl it around. I'm actually really excited to see if this works because, I mean, it'd be cool if it did, honestly, but if it doesn't, I don't care. Like, if it turns out like silver, it's fine. Like, my hair was really brassy right now because obviously I haven't been in to my hair, like, to the hair salon in like so long, obviously because of quarantine. So why not, honestly? I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning, but the whole point of this is to put purple shampoo in your dry hair. I know a lot of us, like, we use purple shampoo and we put it in the shower, obviously, but the whole point of this is to put it in your dry hair to see what happens. So now I'm gonna go, oh wait, actually, I'm gonna put my hair in a plastic bag to consume heat or like keep the heat. I know my hairstylist friends, aka Alyssa, is probably screaming at me right now, like, girl, what the fuck are you doing? But it's fine, girl, it's fine. One second. I look psychotic, but it's fine. I'm having so much fun. Oh my god, you know what? Bitch, I don't have time for this right now. Okay. So I wasn't able to really find how much time I'm supposed to put it on. I saw like 20 minutes, but I think I'm gonna do like 30 or 45 just for shits. Just to actually like put it in for a while, and then I'm gonna go shower, clean everything, and then be back for the final look. Bye guys. Okay, what's up? So it's been 30 minutes and I look like fucking like a purple monster literally shot on my face, but we're gonna do a check-in. I talked to my friend Kimia and I was like, you know, should I do it for 30 minutes or should I do an hour? And she told me to check in at like 30 minutes just to see if my hair is like picking it up, see if it's like purple-ish, and then we'll see. Just like, I doubt this will work because it's just purple shampoo, but I can't tell. I'm like, oh, okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna go shower this off and see how it turned out. Okay, bye. Okay, well, I'm back. This is the final look. I'm gonna grab this, but if you can tell, there's like a light hue of purple. It's like a lavender. Okay, so my final thoughts on this. Dried my hair a little bit, but there's still parts that are wet. It's really interesting because a little bit of the top layer is like hues of purple, and then there will be like little parts like inside here where like nothing happened. And it's really interesting because I put the purple shampoo there first because I knew it was the most brassy and the darkest area. But literally like this piece, I don't know if you can see that, it's so brassy still. But you know, I'm not mad at it. I think it's fun while I'm here, but like obviously if I was like going to school still or you know, like had work or something, I would not do this because it just looks very like blotchy at the end of the day. Like there's parts of it that are like purple, but there's parts that are like brassy blonde. Maybe if I got my hair done and it was like still very like yellow blonde, not yellow blonde, but like light blonde, no brass in it, I would probably try this. But because my hair has been so like, you know, it's just so brassy that I feel like it just didn't pick up on those parts. I feel like it picked up on the silver parts that I had in my hair, like the very light blonde parts. So I mean, like you can see how there's like light hues. At the end of the day, I give this process like a 5 out of 10. It was a lot of work for just like a little bit of purple or like lavender. I think if I were to do it again, I would probably do it for an hour just to see how much more it would pick up. Oh, side note, when I went into the shower, I actually have purple conditioner. So what I did is I literally took a glob of purple conditioner and some of my just regular conditioner, and I mixed it and I put it in my hair, and like I like washed my body and washed my face and everything while that was still in my hair. So it kind of like conditioned so my hair wouldn't be so like frizzy and like disgusting when I got out of the shower and like dead. So it feels very nice. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. Like, I think it's fun. Yeah, but now that experiment is over, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, comment it down below, or if you have my IG or whatever, just message me. I don't care. If you guys want to see something else, let me know. I'm kind of bored in this quarantine. I'll really just do anything unless it's crazy. Other than that, subscribe, like, do whatever I'm not going to cuss. Do whatever you would like. But yeah, this was fun. See you guys next time on my channel.